Good morning, traders. Welcome back. It is Monday, the 3rd of July. Where does the time go? And as always, guys, we are going to look back at Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Itchy nose. So let's start with Friday, guys. This was our first trade from Friday, euro against the Canadian dollar. Okay, and what we were trying to do, guys, was short this pair. Okay, because we were in a downtrend. If you're not sure about the trend, use one of these pens and mark the highs and lows. It really illuminates the trend, yeah? So you can see here we got lower lows, and these highs still haven't been broken. So we're still in a downtrend. And we got this very bearish candle. So the idea was just to come back down to this area here of 4,350, this psychological level. Okay, so that was the idea, guys. We're in a downtrend, bullish, bearish candle, you know, take price lower. As you can see, that didn't really play out on Friday, guys. If we drop down to the H1 now, it looked like potentially this trade was coming down. Yeah, so we got, you know, if you follow the H1 structure down, I mean, if you got in on this candle, potentially some of you did, yeah, you would have had a nice trade. You would have, you know, you wouldn't have hit target, but I would have taken some profit, yeah? If you entered here, put your stop here, you know, once you get down here, take some profit, okay? Or, you know, there was this candle as well. And, you know, you would not, you know, you would be forgiven for thinking this is going to continue coming down. Yeah. You know, but the problem with this candle is the risk to reward. If you enter here, realistically, you've got to put your stop up here, you know, and this is your risk and this is your reward. So, you know, it's a nice candle in terms of sellers are in control, but in terms of my target, it doesn't make sense. So at this point, guys, once we got this breakdown, I was looking for a retrace and then, you know, potentially a good area to get in on. But once I started seeing the bullishness of this candle, you know, just buyers just came into this market and took complete control of it. Okay, so yeah, it was a tricky one to trade Euro Canadian dollar. I didn't get in on this pair. But yeah, you know, maybe you did, and chances are, guys, you would have got stopped out here. You know, it just came shooting up. So yeah, EuroCAD, a tricky one to trade, guys. Am I still interested in shorts if you're still in it? Tricky one. Yeah, this is quite a bullish candle, but we have a bit of a wick here. If we look at the H4, because on the H4, I'm interested in potentially this. You know, there is the kind of level through here. So maybe, yeah, this still might come back down, guys. All right. But yeah, that was Euro Canadian dollar, guys. Didn't have a trade on that one. And then we also had Euro Pound. Okay, so if we look at the Euro Pound now, let's start with the day chart. And the idea was to short this pair as well. So why did we want to short this pair? Well, price had gotten to this area of resistance here. Okay, and we'd had a reaction. We got a wick followed by a bearish candle. All right, what I also liked is that these highs were never broken, this high, because this wick closed back into this gray zone. Okay, so we never got a break of those highs. All right, so that's why we were looking to short it, potentially all the way down to here. Yeah, and as you can see, guys, the direction was good. If we drop down to the H1, there was a couple of, you know, potential entries here. So, you know, for just following H1 structure down, guys, yeah, even if you took this candle because it broke the lows, yeah, broke all these lows, you know, there's a few places you can put your stop. You could put your stop above, you know, the last piece of potential resistance. Yeah, or you could put your stop just above the moving average 20. Okay, so yeah, there's some, you know, possible placements for stops. So yeah, if you did trade this one, guys, it came down nicely, or even off of this wick, yeah, and then price came down. Okay, you would have had a nice trade, okay, and still be in this trade. Yeah, the H1 structure hasn't broken. You know, continue to ride this down. If price starts breaking this level, yeah, you know, I wouldn't be so interested in this pair. So that was euro pound, and then the last trade from Friday was this New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Yeah, and this was an unsuccessful trade for me, guys. All right, so let's start with the day chart. So what were we trying to do? We were trying to short this pair. And why? Well, you know, at this point we're in an uptrend, but then you can see price has been slowly breaking down. And then when we got this candle that broke these lows in here, and we were getting lower highs, yeah, everything was pointing to a downtrend. And I thought we could just take price a little bit further down to here, you know, even down to here, guys. But as you can see, yeah, US dollar got real weakness on Friday. And look at this real big push up. Potentially, you know, this is a nice area for shorts now, but I wouldn't fancy shorting that daily candle, okay? If we drop down to the H1, yeah, you know, we had this grey zone here mapped out because price had reacted in it many times. I actually entered once we got this candle because this actually broke M15 structure as well. I got a slight retrace, guys, entered here, put my stop above here, you know, and as you can see it, well, I'm hedged in this trade. It took my hedge or my stop loss, yeah, and took me out of this trade, guys. The idea was to take this lower, but instead, you know, price built up and buyers came into this market. All right, guys. So, yeah, a little bit of a tricky day Friday. Sort of trades went in one direction, then flew in the other direction. So that makes for tricky trading conditions on Friday. So, yeah, that was Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then why not come join us? Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash that notification button. And if everyone right now could please smash the like button. Thank you very much. It helps support the channel. Mercy, gracias. Right, trades for Monday, the 3rd of July, guys. Before I give you my trade ideas, let me just tell you a few things that we do on our YouTube channel and Discord channel. So first of all, yeah, we've got a Discord channel. We've got a free Discord channel. You've got traders in there sharing trade ideas. You've got indicators, useful links, knowledge. So why not come join our free Discord channel? The link is in the video description. We also have VIP Discord. You do have to pay for this, guys, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. So you can ask me questions whenever you like, as long as I'm awake. Yeah, you get my trade ideas as and when they happen. You also get 2 other expert traders and their trade ideas. Yeah, we give you exclusive content every week. And you also get access to a performance coach, plus other VIP members. So come join the VIP Discord. Next, guys, we also do a mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Our email is on our YouTube channel. Next, guys, we've also got a YouTube membership now. So, you know, if you watch the morning analysis, enjoy the live streams, then you can show your support, guys. You can become a YouTube member and you get some cool little perks to do for doing so. And I think it's like £1.50 English or under $2. And finally, guys, yeah, don't forget our live streams today, every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready and I'll see you today. Right, that's everything we do, guys. We've also got a really big bit of news we want to share with you, but not yet. Yeah, we're not ready yet. Okay, guys, so pound Canadian dollar is my first trade idea for today. To be quite honest with you guys, I found it difficult to find a decent setup. Yeah, it was really, you know, you've had lots of whipsaws in the market, changes in direction. you know, sometimes we're in a downtrend, but we've got a very bullish candle. Yeah, I came up against all of these things. It was tricky to find trades today. But I've got a couple that I'm looking at. The first one is this, guys. It's pound against the Canadian dollar. So what am I looking at? So we are still in an uptrend. Yeah, we were in a downtrend. Okay, but then bang, yeah, it broke these highs, started to get higher highs, higher lows, and these lows still haven't broken. Yeah, still haven't broken. So, we are still in an uptrend, but, there's this level here because, was price doing this? Is it created a new lower high? Yeah, so it's a tricky one, but if we get a break of this level, I'm interested, guys. Okay, so let's have a look at that on the lower time frames. Let's have a look at the H4, guys. So you can see we've had a break in H4 structure as well. So, price was coming down, but then bang, we're still in a H4 uptrend. We've got higher highs. Okay, but what do I want to see? Well, I want to see this, guys. Like I said, I want to see a break of this level because this is potentially also a daily level. So if we get price break through this level, we get a retrace, hide behind the last swing low on the H1 perhaps, yeah, and then take price back up to this level here. All right, so that's what I want to see. There is this other level here, but I potentially wouldn't like to take buys from here. Yeah, I'll see what price action does on, does today, but really I want to see a break of this level, retest, and then we can take price higher. All right, so pound Canadian dollar, we're looking to buy that pair if that happens. And then the other trade for today, guys, before I show you the other trade, if you enjoy my analysis, enjoy my live streams, then please smash that like button, guys. If everyone, please, right now could smash the like button, that would be greatly appreciated. Yeah, and don't forget, join our Discord channel as well. So, guys, what's the next trade we're looking at? It was this. It was US dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, if we start with the day chart. So, we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, price has come up. It was in an uptrend at this point, didn't make higher highs, always a red flag, and price has broken down. And then we kind of find ourselves in this range, guys. Yeah, price has just been doing this. Okay, so, the idea is that we've got a bearish candle at the top of this range. So we just want to follow this momentum back down to the bottom of the range, and we are in an overall downtrend as well. Okay, so yeah, we're looking to short US dollar Swiss franc for all of those reasons. Yeah, and a nice bearish candle. If we drop down to the H1 now, what am I looking for? So really, guys, we need a retrace. In fact, I'm going to put, there's another level through here that I've just seen. So you can see there's a bit of a level through here. So what do I want to see? I want to see price react in one of these gray zones. Yeah, we've got this gray zone because price has reacted many times in this gray zone. Yeah, even further. Or this gray zone where price has reacted many times. Okay, so yeah, we need a retrace, guys, because there's no value in entering here. Yeah, there's not much room to move into. And where would you put your stop? Up here above the moving average 20. So this is why we need a retrace before we come lower. So yeah, if it retraces to here, yeah, maybe the moving average 20 catches it up as well. Yeah, this could be a nice area. So all I want to see is a bearish reaction. I will then get into the trade and take price lower. Yeah, if it doesn't react here, it could react back up here. Yeah, and again, I'm just looking for a bearish reaction, guys. And when I say a bearish reaction, I'm looking for sellers to take control of the market. Yeah. So I'm just looking for a bearish candle that tells me sellers are back. All right. And then once we get that, I'll take price. At this point, I'll probably take profit here. Yeah, and then leave some money on the trade to take it back down to here. Okay, so yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc, guys. And yeah, they're the only two trade ideas. Yeah, it was tricky to find some trades today. So yeah, and again, guys, yeah, if I can ask you all to smash the like button and also come join us if you're new to the channel. All right, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 3rd of July, guys. As you can see, Canada is on holiday 4 times. Yeah. Yeah. So Canada, have a nice holiday if we have any Canadian viewers. And guys, if we look down, yeah, if we look for some 3-star ratings, as you can see, the first piece of important news for us is this. At 8:55 London GMT, we've got German manufacturing PMI. So this could really move any euro pairs. If we carry on down at 9:30 London GMT, we've got manufacturing PMI coming out of the UK. So could move any pound pairs. And then if we carry on down, we've got more PMI data coming out of the US at 3 o'clock. So yeah, a bit of a day of PMI data. So must be aware of that, all 3-star ratings. Okay, guys. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please smash the like button and come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also, guys, don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Join us for that. Get all of your questions ready. All right. See you later, guys.